Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Capricorn. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today, bago siya, is we're going to tap into the third party energy. Okay. So, please take note na ang third party hindi lang siya romantic, okay? Ang third party is anything or anyone na outside the connection between you and your person or the relationship na merong epekto or naapektuhan ang relationship ninyo. So, pwede siyang kaibigan, kamag-anak, or kapamilya, or katrabaho, okay? And pwede rin trabaho mismo, career, negosyo, ACADS. So tingnan natin. Alamin natin siya. So, habang binabasa ko rin to, gusto kong i-remind ang lahat na this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, just leave it behind. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo and abangan nyo na rin susunod ko pang love reading baka mag-resonate na yun. So, bubunot ako ng two cards each, yung current situation ng relationship, yung influence or the third party, and third is how it affects the relationship. Okay, sige. Simulan na natin. Okay. Current situation, Knight of Wands, and Two of Swords. Okay. And the third party, Temperance, and the Hermit. Oh. And how it affects the situation, the Emperor, and Queen of Wands. Okay. So first, there's a strong energy of Aries, Virgo, and Sagittarius. Okay, so pwede ninyong zodiac ng person ninyo. Doesn't have to, pwedeng iba rin. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na ito. Okay. Pero bago natin ituloy, alamin natin kung romantic ba siya, platonic, familiar. Okay. Alright. Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. At sana mag-grow itong channel. Kaya yung mga bago, subscribe na rin kayo sa channel ko para mag-grow pa siya at makagawa pa ako ng marami pang reading para sa inyo. Okay? So, ayan. So, first, alamin natin. Is this third party romantic? Hierophant. Maybe. So, pwedeng oo, pwedeng hindi. So, alamin natin sa detalye na makukuha natin sa reading na ito. Okay, so si Knight of Wands, so at the moment, yung relationship ninyo is full of adventure. Ano yun, parang um, pinupurso ka pa nitong tao na to. Hindi pa naman talaga kayo official, wala pang ganong commitment, okay? And at the moment, um, may mga difficult choices na kailangan gawin. So what I can sense here is um, unsure pa rin yung person mo sa'yo. Kasi possible na there's an option, may mga ibang option, okay? Pero gusto ko niya i-pursue, okay? Pero I can sense here na 50-50 kasi there's a card of difficult choices, yung Two of Swords. So, yun. Okay? And the moment yung third party is someone then okay. Someone na nasa behind the scenes. So I think it's a past relationship. That's what I can sense here. There's a past relationship na may chance for reconciliation. Okay, so itong person na to is yung third party is someone from the past. Okay, that's why maybe. Kaya lumabas yung maybe answer kanina. Hindi pa rin talaga, hindi itong third party, hindi rin naman siya like attached dun sa person mo. Pero because of the past relationship that this person had with your person, so yun yung naglilinggo dun sa person mo. Kaya parang yun yung nagkakaroon ng effect dun sa decision niya to fully pursue you. Okay, so may past energy siya na um, ayun, pwedeng friends pa sila tapos may feelings pa yung person mo dun sa ex niya, okay, sa past relationship. Pero itong past relationship, I can see here na parang hindi na rin siya into into it. Okay. So, parang nakapag-move on na rin siya, na-process na niya yung emotions niya, 'di ba? Nagkaroon na siya ng reflection. Pero itong person mo kasi siya yung parang may attachment pa dun sa past. Okay? And how it affects the relationship is yung Emperor and Queen of Wands. So, what I can see here is affected alam mo yun, yung pagpapakita nga ng affection ng tao sa'yo. Kasi syempre, 50-50 pa siya. Parang gusto ka niya pursue, pero part of this person is parang gusto pa rin niya din yung ex niya. Parang may ganun. Okay, na and and naapektuhan nga yung parang stability, yung connection ninyo, 'di ba? Pati yung sa connection, yung deep connection, 'di ba? Parang walang assurance ba? Kasi Queen of Wands is about assurance and deep connection. Pero parang as shown here, ito yung set na how it affects the relationship, 'di ba? So, affected yung deep connection, stability ng relationship, and parang nangangailangan siya ng assurance pa, parang ganun. So, tingnan natin, ano bang, bakit, bakit? Ayun, the Emperor na naman. Nalabas na naman siya. And Ace of Cups. Okay. So, it's really, at the moment, di ba gusto ko niyang i-pursue. And nakikita naman nung person na to na um, the right thing to do is to leave the past and move on and pursue you. Di ba? Pero, hindi rin kasi ganun kadali, di ba? I mean, hin- may mga situation talaga na minsan parang madaling sabihin pero mahirap gawin, parang gano'n. Pero nangangailangan talaga for this connection to really move forward, nangangailangan ng ano yun, sense of responsibility and leadership dun sa person mo to really act on it. Na panindigan ka niya. I mean, kung gusto ka niya talaga, leave the past behind, pursue you. Kasi ito, Ace of Cups is a card of abundance, love, and happiness, di ba? Kasi hindi magiging masaya, hindi magiging abundant, and hindi magiging full of love ang relationship kung 50-50 ka, di ba? So, ayun. Okay. Sige, tingnan natin ito sa third party situation. King of Wands and the Fool. Ayun nga, parang itong si person, ano, ano na siya, nag-move on na siya. meron na siyang parang happy na siya sa freedom na meron siya. Parang free na rin siya from the past. So, yung person mo really have to detach na. Kasi, nagkaroon na to ng new beginning, itong person mo, and, alam mo yun, and honest din naman itong past person, itong ex, about sa mga, ano niya, mga gusto niya mangyari sa life. Parang, yung intention niya na gusto niya talaga na mag-move on na, di ba? Ah, ng panibagong life without your person. So, just let it be. Dapat talaga yung person mo really have to detach and move on and to really pursue you. And how it affects yung relationship, ayan. Yeah. So, the romance, ayun, kasi once na mag-decide yung person mo to really let go of the past, there will be so much romance, okay, between the two of you. So there will be a lot of adventure, okay, and like a lot of satisfaction, diba? Nine of Cups is a card of yung contentment, fulfillment, diba? Na parang, oh, happy, diba? So yun. Okay, so sana nakatulong to. Um, Tignan natin ano yung advice ni Universe dun sa situation. Kung anong kailangan mong gawin or kailangan yung gawin together for the relationship to work. Kasi nga, yung person mo, ano pa siya, naglilinger pa yung nakaraan sa kanya. Okay? Sige. Balasahin natin. So, kung mag-resonate siya, hulog, comment na kayo sa baba. Okay. So, the advice of the universe is balance your mind. Okay. So, yeah. So, to balance your mind is, I think ito yung advice niya na, ano na, kasi may imbalance na nangyayari. Kasi nga, hindi siya fully committed sa'yo. So, medyo shaky, 50-50, di ba? So, pag ganun, di ba, hanggat di nagde-decide nga yung person mo, why, may imbalance. So, you really have to uh, focus na dun sa present, leave the past behind kasi ayaw na rin naman ng tao. So, ayun, sana yung person mo um, ma-realize nyo yun soon. Kasi sa connection ninyo, there's so much love and happiness and abundance coming kung wala yung blockage, kung wala yung hindrance, di ba? And kung mag-fully commit yung person mo, di ba? Ito yung dalawang emperor, emperor na double confirm lang, na it requires the leadership and responsibility dun sa part ng person mo. Okay, so sana nag-resonate itong reading and kita-kits na lang sa susunod pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.